876RC signing back on. I'm out here today with the DJI Mavic drone. About to take a quick flight. Here we go.
Take off.
Alright, here we go. Flying from inside my car today. Just gonna take it straight out. It's about 55 degrees and sun. Got 13 satellites, cruising at 18.4 miles an hour. And we're going to cruise at 309 feet. Just picked up another satellite. 14 satellites right now. A little over 2,000 feet out. Got some large amounts of bodies of water right there. Almost 3,000 feet out. Smooth sailing. Cruising at 19.1 miles an hour. A little bit windy today. Give a big shout out to my subscribers. I want to give a special shout out to Adrian Mateo Drones. Almost 5,000 feet out. Got 16 satellites. Cruising at 18.6 miles an hour. Got some open farmland down below. Almost 5,000 feet out. Got 11 minutes and 9 seconds on the battery. Gimbal working how it should still. About to hit a mile. Alright, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is turn this thing around. And fly back to the home point. Had a little bit of interference. You can tell it's cold today. Check out that water. Alright, we're going to cruise on back. Water looks super cold. We're a nice distance out. And we're cruising back at 15.6 miles an hour. Just got a high wind velocity warning. Straighten this thing up. Still got a bit of ways to go. Got 15 satellites. 5 minutes and 31 seconds left on the battery. Got enough juice to make it back to the home point. And we're flying back against the wind, so that's why it's going down on the speed. Major power running through those power lines right there. Start coming down to altitude. Windy up there today. Strong aircraft interference. Got 15 satellites. Coming down to altitude. Coming in for a landing. Right below.
Landing.
Thanks for watching, fellas.